Israel has recently unveiled a series of advanced military robots, showcasing its innovative prowess in the field of military robotics and surveillance technology. These technological advancements highlight Israel's significant progress in improving its military capabilities. The introduction of advanced robots shows Israel's commitment to staying ahead in defense technology and sends a clear message to the global community, including the United States, about its readiness for any potential conflicts. Let's jump right in with this Israeli-made robot called Dogo, the world's first lightweight armed tactical combat robot. Named after the Argentine Mastiff, it measures 11 inches in height and, when in stealth mode, can shrink to a mere 5.5 inches. Designed with input from Israel's Defense Ministry and the police's counterterrorism unit, the Dogo was made specifically for special forces, SWAT teams, and infantry missions. It was built to operate in urban combat zones underground, maneuver across difficult terrain, climb stairs, and last about 4 hours on fully charged batteries. What makes the Dogo unique? A 9mm Glock 26 pistol inside can fire 14 rounds via a remotely operated joystick, allowing the controller to aim and fire from a safe position. The stealthy robot can aim at a standing target, or even one hiding under a bed. While Israel already has weaponized robots, they are very heavy, and it takes a lot of time to direct a weapon to where you want. With the Dogo, since it weighs only 11.5 kilos, you can use it immediately and designate the weapon toward the target within a second with point-and-shoot technology. The Dogo also has built-in two-way encrypted audio communications, allowing the operator to listen and intervene in hostage situations. With a range of 400 meters, communication is a significant feature of the Dogo, especially as it transmits large amounts of visual and audio information. In addition to its deadly arsenal, the Dogo can be equipped with non-lethal means to neutralize a threat, including pepper spray and a dazzler that can stun and temporarily blind a target from a distance of 5 to 10 meters. Up next, we would like to showcase the M-RCV, the medium robotic combat vehicle known as M-RCV, which was recently unveiled at the prestigious Eurosatory Defense Expo in Paris, boasts an impressive integration of several cutting-edge technologies. These advanced features include an anti-tank missile launcher, a sophisticated system for transporting and receiving drones, the capacity to carry heavy loads, and enhanced maneuvering capabilities that set it apart from other vehicles. The innovative robotics platform was developed by BL Advanced Ground Support Systems. Additionally, an active defense system, which adds a significant layer of protection, was developed by the renowned Elbit Systems. The state-of-the-art missile launcher, capable of delivering high-impact strikes, was developed by Israel Aerospace Industries. Furthermore, the ministry highlighted that the vehicle is equipped to hold a drone specifically designed for forward reconnaissance missions, providing a strategic advantage on the battlefield. It also features an array of passive sensors that enhance its situational awareness and operational efficiency. The M-RCV's extensive capabilities include a highly autonomous solution for forward reconnaissance, allowing for controlled lethality in all-terrain conditions. Remarkably, it remains operational during both day and night, and in all-weather scenarios, which underscores its operational effectiveness. The vehicle emphasizes simplicity and requires minimal operator intervention, making it user-friendly and efficient. Unmanned ground vehicles, like the M-RCV, are increasingly being adopted by other advanced armies around the world, including those of the United States, Britain, and Russia. Viper 750, an advanced encapsulated unmanned aerial system (UAS), enables seamless transition from underwater to aerial environments, making it essential for special forces reconnaissance, naval fleets, and joint force missions. Designed for special forces reconnaissance and joint force operations, the Viper 750 transitions from underwater stealth operations to aerial reconnaissance and engagement instantly when needed. An autonomous, AI-driven system, it delivers beyond line-of-sight situational awareness, making it invaluable for submarines, autonomous underwater vehicles, and other subsea platforms. Expertly engineered for stealthy underwater launches, this UAS is ideal for submarines, AUVs, and other marine platforms, seamlessly integrating into existing systems to provide an operational advantage. Thanks to its state-of-the-art AI-driven functionalities, the Viper 750 enables real-time, beyond line-of-sight situational awareness. Its autonomous capabilities include immediate deployment and automatic routing, allowing rapid adjustments based on real-time intelligence. Whether navigating intricate underwater topography or flying in diverse atmospheric conditions, the Viper 750 is designed to adapt and deliver. Its standout feature is the ability to transition from underwater stealth operations to aerial reconnaissance and engagement, providing immediate, adaptable aerial capabilities right when they are needed. As technology advances, modern countries can do more with drones and collect more data from airplanes and helicopters. This increases the need for lightweight, effective, and easy-to-use surveillance. Israel Aerospace Industries, one of Israel's 3 defense giants, introduced WASP, a new aerial surveillance system. They describe WASP as a groundbreaking system for persistent wide-area monitoring. These systems address the unique challenges Israel faces, such as the need to monitor large areas continuously and manage massive amounts of data. WASP provides persistent surveillance over wide areas and uses algorithms to automatically detect and identify moving targets. This automation is crucial for Israeli companies' surveillance efforts. Previously, drone operators not only needed a pilot to fly the machine, but also had others monitor the footage. For long-term surveillance, such as watching a house or a large area, it's more efficient to have a computer analyze the data and identify changes. For example, if you want to detect tunneling by terrorists or drug smugglers, you need to search for landscape changes. A computer can identify areas of interest more efficiently than constant human monitoring. IAI's new system can operate on various platforms, including tactical UAVs, manned aircraft, and surveillance balloons. The company describes it as a next-generation system that provides high-resolution situational awareness of moving targets, day and night, over a wide area of interest. The system combines electro-optics, infrared sensors, and artificial intelligence to enhance effectiveness. Another robot the Israeli military is using is called the Rooster. The Rooster is designated for commando units and special forces for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions and tactical combat. It is already in use by the IDF and various militaries worldwide. The Rooster hybrid drone is a groundbreaking solution that combines ground robotics and drone capabilities to redefine indoor and underground infrastructure reconnaissance. The Rooster boasts up to 15 minutes of flying time and 40 minutes of rolling time, with an average working time of up to 90 minutes. Capable of rolling over all types of terrain and flying over obstacles, the Rooster combines ground mobility and aerial capabilities. It can easily hover over staircases, furniture, or windows. It is equipped with a special cage to prevent damage from in-flight collisions with obstacles. The Rooster can be customized with various payloads such as thermal cameras, gas sensors, and radiation sensors, adapting to multiple mission requirements. The Rooster is applicable for a diverse range of missions, including anti-terrorism operations, indoor crime scenarios, hostage situations, urban battlegrounds, and search and rescue missions. The Rooster can operate in communication-deprived environments, making it ideal for missions in buildings, ships, bunkers, and underground facilities. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.